I love the spaghetti map.
All right, this is crude, doing it live, but this is a spaghetti map exercise. So that's the aerial view of a restaurant. So these guys are MIT engineers, and in their engineering, all they do is focus on efficiency, process efficiency, how to go fast. And this is all these guys do.
Yeah.
They did Starbucks.
Okay.
We brought them in to help with Chipotle to be like, how do we go even faster? So we went to a restaurant with them. We drew this, same thing I just did here. So we drew this and we sat there during a rush and we watched a person. We each took a person. So like you would take the tortilla person you greet that presses, and for an hour you would sit there and go, okay, they this is gonna be so hard upside down. They start here, track them, and anytime they move, just move your pen to where they go. And so you start doing this to be like they ran over here to get something, then they came back here. Then they ran out of tortillas, so they ran over here, and then they came back down. And so over the course of an hour, you're just tracking where did they go and what did they go get. They ran over here, then they ran back. And in the end, you end up with this spaghetti map of like, then they ran over here, they came back over here, they ran over here. They didn't know where to go, so they went there. They didn't know where to go. They were looking all over for it, and then they went back. And so you end up with a map like that, and that's a spaghetti map. And in the exercise, each of us took a person in a line, and we each had our own spaghetti map for every person in the restaurant. And then we sat there and we dissected, and we were like, what are they going to get? Why did they have to leave their station? Why did they have to leave here to go over there? This is so far away. Like your person that's greeting guests had to go over here. Why? And can we move this thing closer to them to reduce the number of steps? So the whole exercise is to take all of this and eliminate it, to move it closer to this person so they don't have to move. And the whole premise of this is removing steps. The less steps your team has to take, the faster service will be, the less tired they will be by the end of the shift, and the better experience it'll be for guests because the team is there doing the thing that they're supposed to be doing.